If you need to change the language on Netflix but can't read the current language, simply follow these steps. The language change process is the same across device, and I will guide you through it with icons to help you if you can't read the text. Firstly, open the Netflix app to launch it, or you can go to the Netflix website. Now, on the home screen of Netflix, tap on the profile icon, usually at the top right corner of your screen. Then a drop-down menu will appear. From there, tap on the Manage Profile option available there. Once you tap on the Manage Profile, simply scroll down and tap on the Edit Settings option available at the last with the gear icon. Now, once you open the settings, you can see the language option available there. The language icon might be represented as a globe or have the world language next to it. Tap the language option. Now from the language list, select your preferred language, example English, Spanish, French, etc. Then confirm the change by tapping save or a similar confirmation option. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.